Hey guys, this is a video for the Dap Rapid Fuse Super Glue. This stuff is a great all-purpose glue. Let me tell you what it's good for. I've used this for rubber, ceramic, metal. This thing outperforms Gorilla Glue, Crazy Glue, epoxies, a lot of different things that I've used over the years. So I have this Fitbit charge here, and the little tiny strap on here to attach the wristband broke. By applying a little bit of that glue, this thing holds and has stayed on there for months. Okay, this is such a small little part, you wouldn't think it would work, but it worked on this Fitbit charge. This right here is a part from my treadmill, and these small little tiny plastic ends broke off. So I applied the glue on here, and you can see it really fuses on there really nice. And this holds on to this plastic edging. And again, these are such little tiny edges. There's very little glue on here, and this stuff really works. This plate, now you can maybe see the crack going along the plate up here, okay? But this plate cracked in half, and I applied some of this glue. What's nice about this versus Gorilla Glue is you don't have the foaming up. It's a very clear glue, so when it re-glues back on, yeah, you can see the crack on here, but you can really hide things pretty well. And if you did a slightly better job on your gluing, you might be able to eliminate even the crack that you see on here and pretty much fix your plates like brand new. I really love how this stuff works. I give this Dap Rapid Fuse Glue about 4.5 out of 5 stars. Works for nearly everything. Stuff is super great for lots and lots of different materials to hold together. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more outdoor product videos.